humanizing there as well, aren't you? Which is a big piece of the puzzle. You're humanizing things, so it's really giving it that like there's a human being on the phone here. It's not just a robot. And the delivery, we've said this on so many podcasts, but that script can't feel like the thousandth time you've read it. It's got to have that nice fit. It's like the middle ground where it's polished, but it's delivered with purpose, and it feels like for that person that on the phone, this is the first time they've heard it.
Absolutely. And if you nail that, you're laughing. Are we human or tiny dancers? The signs are vital. Elton John.
Exactly. You know what they say about it.
Great guy.
Great guy.
That Reg. That's it on my list for tonality. I think one of the things I would recommend to anybody that wants to get better at cold calling and work on their tonality, go away, record your call opener, your value proposition, your pitch, whatever it is, listen back to it and think, break it down to each singular word. Does it sound good? Could it sound better? How could I deliver that? And then you'll get to a point where actually, if you pulled up 1,000 cold calls and you looked at the audio files, this is something we used to do. Do they look the same? Is it the same kind of volume? Is it the same kind of pace? Is it the same diction? Cool. Like, look at it like a science. Cold calling and sales should be treated as a science meets an art.
Exactly. I couldn't agree more. And I'll leave a little question for you, Jack, just to think about. When you think about manliness, is that something you're trying to be or something you're trying to sell? Join us next time for more Trench Tips.